Right, now just curve out the second of the two bottom cross beams. So where's the button? Here we are. There we are. Perfect. Just alter the angle on the inner side, inner face here. Come out. well, almost perfect patterns. They're made oversized just to make sure that you can get the actual amount of wood and the curve and the angles on the piece of wood when they're made properly. But that's the first of the two. Now I'll go on with the rest of it now. This is what we've got to do next. Is port hand side one. This one here, and that's going to be another plywood pattern, very similar to the one we just made. And then once that's made, we can move higher up the transom and make the two longer ones each side, and eventually make the top one. But that's a job we get on with at the moment. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and if you'd like to become a patron, please do so, or follow us on YouTube and on Instagram and any other platforms you can see this on. So that's all for now, folks. Talk to you soon. Bye. There we have it, the first new pattern for the Transom framework. Just got 5 more to make, and we're going to make a new sternpost knee here as well. You can see quite an extensive piece of machinery. Quite a long piece, and it goes quite a bit. It's got 2 massive great bolt holes in it to connect to the hog. And it's also got lots of half lap joints down the middle to secure the beams, cross beams in. But what we have to do as well, just pan round a bit, is at the ends here got to make some new edge pieces for the end of the beams to sit on and locate into the rest of the framework. So quite an extensive jigsaw puzzle, but not one we can't overcome as we go along and do the job. Right, just now cutting out the end for the insert into the thing. So it's a matter of just getting this in the right place and marking it off. Almost right, just need a bit of trimming now.